Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services coming to you with yet another video. If you are a credit repair business owner or you're contemplating starting a credit repair business, this video is perfect for you because it's all about credit repair marketing or marketing a credit repair business. We'll be right back. All right, so we're going to talk about credit repair marketing today. And you might think if you're starting a credit repair business or have started a credit repair business that marketing is something you really don't have to worry that much about because there's so many people that need credit repair. There's so many people with a sub 600 credit score that it's going to be like shooting fish in a barrel. There's going to be so much business out there. But I'm going to tell you, that's not necessarily true for two very, very large reasons. Number one, the competition. You got a lot of competition out there. There's 81,000 credit repair businesses of some sort out there in the United States. That means there's people that, individuals that have started their own credit repair business and big, large companies like Lexington Law and creditrepair.com. So you have a lot of competition, number one. Number two, even though there's millions, 68 million, I think, people that have a sub 600 credit score in the United States, you got to understand that you can probably only do business in your state because of credit repair laws, right? You need a surety bond in your state, most likely, and then you can only do business in your state. So 68 million, you got to divide that up, right? How many people in your state, for sure, number one. But the other thing is, and I say this all the time, just because someone has bad credit doesn't mean they're motivated to fix it. In other words, people with bad credit can live with bad credit their entire life. Think about it. You can still find a place to live. That's why buy here, pay here car lots exist, right? You can still buy a car. You can still get a job with a bad credit score. Even though it's probably not the best car, the best place to live, or the best job, you can still get by. So you got to think about, you don't have 68 million people out there to market to. You have a limited marketing pool of people, and that's something strongly to consider. So do I have your attention? And the reason why I went through all those statistics and I kind of brought up those points, it kind of doesn't have to do with marketing, but it has everything to do with marketing at the same time. It's because I wanted to get your attention in that you really should be thinking about marketing right up front when you're thinking about starting a business. Or if you already did, it's time to put the technical things aside and really think about marketing. Think about how you are going to get clients. And I want to tell you that I've talked to so many people over the years that have gotten into the business or want to get into the business. And I've seen their websites and I've seen what they're doing from a marketing standpoint, and they're making a huge mistake for two reasons. Number one, they're marketing credit repair. And I'll come back to that in a second because I probably just confused you. But they're marketing credit repair and they're trying to market credit repair as this big giant company. In other words, on their website, they're trying to show, allied credit services and appear to be this huge, large company. And I get what they're going after. They're going after credibility and professionalism and wanting the consumer to think that they are, up there with creditrepair.com, Sky Blue Credit, Lexington Law, and all the big guys, right? They want to have people think that, but I'm here to tell you it's a big mistake. It's a big mistake for two reasons. Number one, it's not about marketing credit repair. Okay, let's talk about that for a second. Credit repair is credit repair. Credit repair, the very narrow service of providing credit repair, is removal of derogatory accounts from a credit report according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act through the credit bureaus, drafting dispute letters, etc. Right? Right. So those 81,000 companies that are out there, they all do the same thing. They all doing credit repair, and they all do it through the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Some go slower than others, and I understand that. But other than that, that's about the only difference between your credit repair and their credit repair. You might provide it faster. Perhaps, right? But that's the only difference. So credit repair is credit repair. So yes, you want to have some information about credit repair on your website. You want to discuss credit repair. You want to discuss ways to improve your credit score, but that's not really what you want to market. You know what you want to market? You want to market you. You want to market you. You're the biggest differentiator between all those 81,000 companies and yours. And people want to buy from someone they think that they know, that they like, and that they trust. And how do you get that knowledge of you? How do you get that trust of you? How do you get that like of you out there? Because you're marketing you. Right? Yes, you want to have a website. It might say Allied Credit Services or whatever the name of your company is, right? It might say that, but that website should be all about you. It should have videos that you've done. It should have pictures of you doing business, pictures of you with your family. Be a real person. People want to be able to relate to you and go, wow, I kind of like this guy, or I kind of like this lady, right? And they want to see your personality. And it's okay that you aren't perfect at things in terms of your videos and so forth. They just want to see you. The number one thing that I did to build my business was to get on camera and start putting pictures and videos of myself out there so people could see me. And it's so interesting that when I finally get a chance to talk to somebody, they go, wow, you're Dale Guiducci, you're the guy in the video. It's kind of like they're excited to talk with me, number one, but it's kind of like they already know me. And we've already kind of broken the barrier, right? And I do have some credibility with them. And all of a sudden they trust me and they're going to listen to what I have to say. And it makes that sale so much easier. So get on video. Now, if you're not comfortable on video, get comfortable on video. Practice, right? This is probably the, I don't know, 500th video I've ever done. I mean, I don't know the exact number, but it's hundreds and hundreds of videos and hundreds of hours on video. So it didn't come naturally to me. I had to practice and get better at it, and I still do. I'm still trying to get better at it. So if you're not comfortable on camera, get comfortable on camera. If you don't know how to edit video, learn how to edit video or get somebody that does. If you don't know how to build a YouTube channel, which you should have, find someone that can build it for you and optimize that YouTube channel and optimize your videos on the YouTube channel for you, right? Social media. Like if you want to have a business Facebook page, that's fine. You don't have to, but if you did or you didn't, it should be all about you. Right? Putting all this credit repair stuff on there is good, but you should come on with Facebook Lives. You should have, like if you went to the beach or you did a trip with your family, a recent trip with your family, or you went out playing with the kids at the park this weekend, take pictures and post those so people can go, wow, real person. Wow, I did the same thing a few weeks ago. I can relate to this person. The more you market you, the better off it's going to be. So the point here is you want to make everything personal about you and your personality and ability to connect with them. You're connecting with the general public and you will draw people into you for sure. The other thing that you want to do, and I realize that as I'm filming this and as I wrote the blog, which this video is going to be in on our website, and there's going to be a link down in the description that you can go to the blog and read more detail, it's during the coronavirus, right? And so therefore, when I say get out into the community, I obviously know at this point, you can't just get out into the community. You've got virtual ways that you can do that, and I would research that and take full advantage of that. But I'm talking about things when you can, things like joining your local chamber of commerce, joining your local real estate board if they take affiliate members, going to real estate meetings, going to business networking meetings, doing street fairs, get a little table and a booth and get your name out there, get people to meet you and start thinking of you as the credit repair gal or the credit repair guy, right? You want to be known for credit repair. How are you going to do that? Get your face and your personality out there. So literally there's dozens of ways that you can get out there. There's dozens of ways that you can market yourself. Well, I just mentioned a few in terms of YouTube, your website, social media, and getting out into the community. But there's a lot of ways, if you think about it, that you could do that. You may even come up with ways that I haven't mentioned here. So what I suggest is you sit in a quiet place. I always either go on my sofa, or when the weather is permissible, I go out into my patio because I live in Florida and it gets warm. It's warm right now in Florida, but I'll go out on my patio with a blank notepad and I'll just sit there quiet without the phone, without any disturbances, and I will take notes about whatever it is that I am trying to come up with ideas for. So in this case, marketing. How would I get myself out there? And I would jot down ideas and do that, right? And you can come up with ideas for yourself beyond what I've told you here. Now, if you want to talk with me personally, go to my Credit Repair Business Coach page on the website. I'll put a link in the description. You can go to the website and go to the blog post on the website, and then go to the Credit Repair Business Coach page from there. Book a phone appointment with me. Pull up my calendar, book a time. We'll talk. Maybe I can come up with some ideas. I can brainstorm with you, things of that nature. And then, hey, listen, if you would like to have a formal relationship with me as a credit repair business coach, perfect. If you want to take a look at the business model that I work with, and maybe you would want to work with if you haven't started your business yet, or maybe even if you have and you're going, wow, I'm struggling with this, then you can take a look at that as well. But let's talk first. So go to the Credit Repair Business Coach page, book a phone appointment, read the blog post. If you would like this video on YouTube, that would be awesome. And subscribe to the channel. I've got tons of videos. I don't know, 60 videos. And I do these videos as often as I can to bring this free information to you, giving you my 8 years of experience as a successful credit repair business owner. I hope this was helpful. You have yourself a great day and good luck with your credit repair business. Top is up.